Can you share your Spotify Wrapped? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, make sure that you update your Spotify to the latest version. Go ahead and open up, and basically the Wrapped feature comes every single year. Every single year at the end of December, so they can showcase the songs that you listen to, right? So basically, go to the Wrapped at the top. You're gonna be able to see it highlighted, and then what you're gonna do is scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see right here the top songs for 2024. Just go ahead and hold, and then you're gonna be able right here to click share after you've saw the pop-up window. And then basically what you're going to do, you're going to be able to copy the link or share directly to social media platforms. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.